Hello, I'm Mimi. I've been growing my own creative business for 3.5 years, and now that I'm earning a comfortable full-time salary from it, I feel like it's about time that I help you make a plan for your own creative business. This video is sponsored by Skillshare, and I've made my very own class that I'm really excited to tell you about in just a minute. It's really easy to get caught up in the excitement of putting your art on products to sell without properly thinking things through from a business perspective. But the business side of things is really important if you're trying to make an income from your art skills. So to set yourself up with the best chance of success, it's a really good idea to plan out a path for your business, which means that you need to get clarity on what you want to achieve in your business, understand who your customer is, what they need, how your product or service is going to serve that customer, which is really crucial, especially as an artist, and how you can market your product to your customer to lead them to buy it. Something that you can do right now to better guide you on your creative business journey is to understand what you want to achieve for yourself and why you want to achieve it. Knowing this upfront will give you a strong foundation to build the rest of your plans on and some direction for the decisions that you'll need to make. Otherwise, once you get started, you'll be feeling like a lost puppy. If you think of your business as a house that you're building, the foundations for that house are the purpose and values of your business. It's important to build this first because without those, it's really hard to build anything else on top. From there, you need a framework, and that's what the rest of your business plan will be, a frame to guide you as you build your house. And from there, every product you make, illustration you create, and every post that you use to market your business is a brick that you add to your house to start building it. It obviously takes a lot of time, but that's okay, it's supposed to. So that's why I think the most important part of planning your creative business isn't choosing a catchy name or making a logo, it's asking yourself why you want this business and how do you want it to serve you. Getting clarity at this stage is so beneficial because you're the one who needs to be motivated to show up consistently, and it'll help you when you need to start making decisions. It also helps you define what success will mean for you, which is important because success is different for everybody. For example, do you want to make a small side income, or do you want to earn a full-time salary with your art? That's important to know when you're measuring your financial success. And outside of financial success, what other outcomes do you want? Maybe you want to improve your art skills or have more flexibility with the hours you work, or maybe you want to build connections with other artists. Write down what it is that you're aiming for long term with your creative business, because everything else that you do will trickle down from that idea. I have a workbook where I guide you through this process and a whole video class on the topic, and you can watch it right now on Skillshare, which also happens to be the sponsor of today's video. I'm so excited because this is my first official class, and I've hosted it on Skillshare because they're an online learning platform with lots of fantastic classes for creatives and entrepreneurs on all sorts of topics like photography, graphic design, marketing, and lots more. My class is called Plan Your Creative Business, Your Path to Creating Income as an Artist, and it's all about getting clarity on the direction that you want to take as you get started on your business journey so that you're set up for success from the beginning. I've made a whole workbook that you can download for free with the class and fill in as you go, and by the end of the class you'll have a clear understanding of the direction that you want to take as a creative business, who your customer is, how your products serve your customer, and a valuable way you can tell them about what you offer. I'm so excited to share this 45-minute class with you, and you can watch it for free because the first 500 people to use my link will get access to one of Skillshare's best offers, 30 days free and 40% off your first year of Skillshare membership. That means you can watch my class and lots of other classes about creativity and business. It's the first time I've made a video talking directly to camera, and I'm really proud of this one, so you don't want to miss it. Thanks so much to Skillshare for sponsoring this video. Now, there are lots of ways you can go about making an income from your art skills, so it can feel a bit overwhelming when you're trying to make a plan. That's why I guide you through the process in my new class, but I also want to share a few common pathways that artists follow when they're looking to monetize their art, just to give you a few ideas to get started. You could create some art, make physical products with your designs, and then either sell those online via social media or at markets. This is a popular option for artists and it's simple to get started, but there can be a lot of competition. You could work on improving your art skills, share your journey online to build an audience, and then monetize by teaching what you've learned in videos with ads or by making courses. This is the direction that I've taken, and it's a great path, but definitely takes a little while before you start earning. You could create some art, build a portfolio, and then pitch that to get professional illustration work. This path can be hard because it's possible you'll have to face some direct rejection up front, but with patience and perseverance, you can build up a really nice set of illustration clients. Or you could create some local in-person art workshops and market them at community events and markets. This is a great path if you prefer the idea of a small-scale, face-to-face art business. These are just a few common pathway examples. You can mix and match or choose a different path entirely. The main thing is that you have a sense of direction for where you're going so that you can give yourself the best chance of success. An important thing to keep in mind about choosing a direction for your business is that it can change later on. You might find a better path on your journey as you fine-tune things, but if you at least have a clear direction, then you're going somewhere with intention and making progress. So if you'd like to sit with me and plan your creative business together in my new video class, then pop on over to Skillshare via the link in my description and we can get started. Thanks so much for watching this video. Give it a like and subscribe if you haven't already for more art and business videos, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye!